sound of the woodlands and quite incredible.
Oh, I'll tell you what, it's a different world down here, mate.
Yeah.
You feel good.
So we're on the bridge, the little footbridge just coming down from Norgrove's End onto the main track through Mawley.
Somewhere just round this corner, I think, was it was like, almost like a gate post, like Nunnery described, a big square stone thing.
Righto.
And he dug it up, and it was, the last I saw it, it was up at the bungalow, where John Downs used to live.
Okay.
And it was sort of lying on its side like that out into the pool.
Right.
So what it was for, we never knew what it was for. It was almost like a milestone marker, only bigger. You know, and that's back in that floods of 2000.
Yeah.
All this was flooded right the way down from bank to bank.
Really?
Yeah.
Fair play.
Yeah, it was about here somewhere. I think this thing was set back in the bank there.
Yeah.
Whether it was a gate post, whether it was a marker or something, I don't know. But rumour has it this was the because just where you turn off up there, going back towards our way.
Yeah.
There's a sunken road that come down the back of our place.
Okay.
Right down through the wood there.
Now, interestingly, we found some sunken road up on Prisley.
Yeah. But they reckon that was the old Packhorse Road where they packhorse the iron ore in from the Blunts estates in Warwickshire.
Oh right, okay.
That'd
make a lot of sense as to that that hollow way down on the.
Well, I'll show you when we go back up there. What it was.
Yeah.
And you see the gardens from the cottages extended out to somewhere where that tree comes up. You can take a line up.
Yeah.
And there used to be a hedge going across there, and the soil in there was as black and rich. You know. I tell you more about it if you can never catch hold of him, if he's still alive, is what's his name, Carter?
Don Carter?
No, not Don Carter.
Brian Carter.
Brian Carter.
Yeah. That's it.
Now this is, you're walking from the little concrete bridge, you've been walking over the cottages.
Ah, so the cottages were along this section?
No. They were up down, and Mr. Handyman, Coates, used it all the rubble to make up the road.
Oh right, okay. You see that a lot though, don't you, with older buildings, you know?
There's nothing else to do with it, and they were going into disrepair.
Were they derelict or?
Getting towards it.
Right, I've got you.
Yeah, that would be about here or there.
Yeah.
Would be the end of the gardens.
Huh.
I'll show you where the cottages themselves were in a minute. See that has
and this is such a nice pace to move along.
That tree with the ivy on, I think that's the weeping willow tree.
Yeah.
Well, come just this way a tud to that hawthorn and ash tree there.
Yeah.
Used to be like a pole, a post with a pole on, post and a post and a pole across. Then almost like would have been a kissing gate hung on there.
Okay. And that's to, I mean, obviously stop horses going through and stock, I'm guessing.
Well, when I come back, I'll tell you a story about that. I'll tell you a story about that.
Yeah, this is
not a story. It happened. I mean, you and everybody else have to make your own minds up about it. It's one of those sort of things. But the cottages roughly started somewhere where this. I think the way in was by this. What's the tree here? Whatever it is. Yeah. Some variegated holly or something like that. It was.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was variegated holly, didn't it?
That's it.
That was who it was. And I can't be 100% sure. You know, there's a lot of years and there's a lot of landscaping gone on down here since then.
Yeah.
But you would have had. Yeah, you'd have had the three cottages it was. One detached and one semi-detached.
Yeah.
We would have started about somewhere here.
Yeah.
There would have been Mr. and Mrs. Carter's house and Brian there somewhere.
Yeah.
Then a little bit further along, there was a bit of a yard.
Yeah.
And then you had Mr. and Mrs. Boyne. His son Fred was sort of the caretaker of the hall.
Yeah.
And so Walter was up there.
Yeah.
And then there was another smaller cottage on the end. When I first knew this place, as I told you this before, the family Whitefoot was here, or Whitefoot.
Well, there's Whitefoots. There's Mrs.
Same ones, I think. Same
yeah, I'm trying to think what his name was. Bill Whitefoot.
Yeah, that had been it.
Yeah.
Roland Whitefoot springs to mind as well.
Yeah. So one of my neighbours is Angela Whitefoot.
Yeah.
And then Kevin and Bill's mum live down the road on the corner.
Ah, that's it. That had been it then.
Yeah.
And then there was the sort of little cottage, and then when Whitefoot's on it was empty for a couple of years, and then an old boy come and lived there for, well, until it was virtually finished. They knocked it down.
Yeah.
And you wanted to know where the rookery was? The nunnery was.
The nunnery was, yeah. Oh, I've got people waiting with bated breath for this. So somebody got a file on this that they're looking to close.
Well, I can guarantee you where it was.
Okay.
100. You could get through the sneak up without the security notice, and you could go up there, and you'd find it. Over a big pile of rubble up there now.
So we are just the Mawley side of the ford, and Bob said that the nunnery is up in the woods, just up there.
Yeah, these trees are. These yew trees. When you go further on, you'll see it'll become clearer.
Yeah. I obviously can't go up there because I don't want to get escorted off the estate by security.
Yeah. Last time I had a scramble over there, it wasn't done many years ago.
Yeah.
I found a window that had still got lead in it.
You can almost see remnants of a wall up there.
There is.
Yeah.
It's all overgrown. I mean, you'd need to go up there to look, but that's where it was.
Yeah.
And that was a 4-storey house. And I showed you that photograph, didn't I?
Yeah.
Well, that was taken somewhere. Roughly where that notice is, I think, anyway.
Okay, so that photo on it's Clibby Historical Society website, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're just approaching the place where the photo was taken. Not a bad place for a house.
No. They reckon that was the original Mawley Hall, if you wanted, for want of a better word.
Okay.
But the nunnery is up under there. You can't, without going up there, you can't see it. Up and down here. Yeah, I would imagine, somewhere from, say, that tree, between that tree and here, it was taken going looking that direction.
Okay.
I mean, all the yew trees up there would have been relatively young.
Yeah.